Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering AI communication and show you how to speak machine like a pro in 2024. As we navigate the complexities of our tech-driven world, it's becoming increasingly clear that effective communication with AI systems is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. The ability to interact seamlessly with machines is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with one another. When it comes to communicating with AI, many of us have been there, trying to get a chatbot to understand our query, struggling to craft the perfect prompt for a language model, or simply feeling frustrated when our virtual assistants don't quite get it. It's like trying to have a conversation with someone who speaks a different language, only that language is code. One of the biggest challenges we face is that AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. This means that biases, inaccuracies, and limitations can be built right into the system, making it difficult for us to communicate effectively. Another obstacle is the sheer complexity of AI language processing. It's like trying to understand a foreign dialect that's constantly evolving. Add to that the fact that AI systems often lack the context, tone, and nuance that are essential for human communication. And it's no wonder we can get stuck in a loop of miscommunication. And let's not forget the problem of feedback. When we do manage to communicate with AI, how do we know if the system has actually understood what we're trying to say? Despite these challenges, researchers and developers are making rapid progress in the field of AI communication. One of the key technologies driving this progress is natural language processing, or NLP. This technology enables computers to analyze, understand, and generate human language, from text to voice commands. Another crucial area of development is machine learning. By allowing AI systems to learn from data and adapt to new input, machine learning is enabling machines to become more accurate, efficient, and effective communicators. And then there's the rise of multimodal interaction, which combines speech, vision, and other senses to create a more holistic and human-like interaction with machines. As we delve deeper into the world of AI communication, it's becoming clear that the breakthroughs happening today will have a profound impact on our lives tomorrow. Imagine being able to converse with your virtual assistant in a natural, spontaneous way. No more awkward phrasing or robotic responses. Imagine being able to communicate complex ideas and emotions to machines with precision and accuracy. One of the most exciting developments in this field is the emergence of explainable AI, which aims to make machine decision-making more transparent and accountable. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries from healthcare to finance, enabling humans and machines to work together in harmony. As we near the end of this journey into the secrets of AI communication, it's essential to recap the main points we've covered. We've explored the growing importance of AI communication, the challenges we face in interacting with machines, and the incredible breakthroughs happening in the field of AI language processing. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the fascinating world of AI communication. If you've had any experiences with AI systems that have left you wondering how to communicate more effectively, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more insights into the intersection of humans and machines, be sure to check out my related videos for more insider knowledge.